Our premium core rods are engineered for outstanding performance and reliability in insulator manufacturing, crafted from high-tensile alloy steel. Each rod features uniform diameter tolerance of 0.02 mm, ensuring precise fit and consistent mechanical strength. Surface finished to an ultra-smooth raw 4M. The rods facilitate effortless insertion into ceramic or composite sleeves without risk of damage or rework. Available in diameters from 12 mm to 50 mm and lengths from 100 mm to 1200 mm, these core rods can be customized to your specific application requirements. A durable zinc nickel anti-corrosion coating offers salt spray resistance exceeding 1,000 hours, making them ideal for harsh outdoor environments. In rigorous tensile and fatigue testing, our rods' consistent lie achieve ultimate tensile strengths over 1,200 megapascals and fatigue lives beyond 10 cycles.